What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mr.MEAT. Let's get started on the center of our page with the inside edge of the brow. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. I'm going to curve this down and then out. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. And then from here we'll bend the brow coming out and down towards the side. So let's start on the left and go out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add a fold in between the brow, starting over on the left, curve in, and then up towards the top. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. Starting on the left, we're going to step in, draw a half circle, going down, and then up towards the inside, go over towards the right, and then do the same thing. Let's add a smaller circle in the center of each eye, starting from the top, all the way around, and back up. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's give our character some really thick eyebrows. So we're going to start on the inside edge of the brow. I'm just going to curve this up and then down on the outside. And do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the side of the eyebrow. Starting back on the left, go up, and bend that in. And then from the top, we curve the eyebrow coming in, and then back down towards the inside. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to move in between the eyes and draw on the nose. So we're going to start on the left, draw a curve, going up, and then bending that back down. We'll add a fold along the top. Starting back on the left, just draw a short curve, going up and then down. Let's go to the inside and draw two small ovals for the nostrils. Starting on the left, going around and up. Same thing on the right. And we'll fill the nostrils in black. Let's add a thick fold along the bottom of each eye, starting from the inside edge, come down, and then bend that out. Let's go all the way down towards the bottom and draw in the mouth. We start back on the left, curve this up, and then down. Go back to the left side, draw another curve, a little bit lower in the middle, to open up the mouth, fill the inside in black. And then from the bottom of the mouth, let's step down and draw a short curve, going up and down for the lower lip. Let's add a seam across the outside corners of the mouth. Starting on the left, curve this out, and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the eyelid, we're going to step out. Just going to curve the head, coming down, pull that in underneath the mouth. Round up the chin, go out and up towards the side of the head. And we'll go back to that side and draw on the top of the head. Starting up here, start by going straight up, rounding up the head, and then pulling that in, round up the top, go across, and bring that back down on the right. Let's go up to the side and draw on the ears. Starting on the left side of the head, curve the ear going up, down, and then in. Let's line this up on the right. And we'll add the folds inside the ear. From the top, step down, curve up and then out. And we'll go back to the inside and draw a hook, going out and then in. Let's go back and add some blood stains across the mouth. Starting from the outside, curve this up and then down. Draw a smaller curve. Just going to work our way up above the mouth and then down. Going across towards the right. Just add a couple more curves, going out and then down. Let's go back to the side and draw on the bottom. come down, and then in, and a smaller curve. Just going to pull that down towards the bottom of the chin. Let's go over towards the right side, come down and then in, and a few smaller curves coming down towards the bottom. Let's add a couple spots. One small circle on the right, and then one on the top left. Now I'm going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start on the left side of the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, go over towards the right, go out, and then down towards the same height. Now I'm going to connect the hips with a curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. Let's draw the top of the belt. On the left side, I'm going to step up, draw that same curve going across. Now leaving a gap in the center, we'll draw two lines, one on the left, and then one on the right. Let's trace the buckle along the inside. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the apron. Starting from the top of the body, come down and in, a straight angled line, then come down and out towards the side. Let's go back up to the top, step in, just follow that same angled line, coming down and in, and then close out the bottom with a straight line. Let's go back to the outside, draw a line going out towards the side of the body. Now I'm going to move back up and draw on the collar. Right in the center, let's start with a point, angle up and out towards the left and right, and then from the center, draw a straight line coming down. And then we'll add in the collar. Halfway along this line, angle down and out towards the side, angle up and out underneath the head. Now we're going to continue that apron down the side of the leg. Starting from the left hip, curve out and then down on both sides. And then from here, we're going to come in and then bend that down towards the center. Straight in and bend that down. Let's go back up to the hips, draw a short angled line coming down and in. And we'll follow the same curve, going out and then down towards the bottom. Now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath the apron, leaving a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, curve out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up on both sides. Now I'm going to go back to the left and draw on the top of the foot. Starting out here, curve the foot going up. Just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll bend that back up towards the inside. And then from the outside corners of the apron, let's step in and draw the outside of the leg. Curve out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. Let's go back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start with the arm on the left holding a big stick of meat. Starting from the top of the body, curve the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist. Now we're going to curl around the thumb. We're going to go up, bend that down, round up the tip of the thumb, and then pull that back up. Now add a curve for the edge of the palm, coming down and in. Now let's wrap 3 fingers around the outside. Starting from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in, step down on the outside, do that again, go up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Let's draw the bottom edge of the bone. Starting on the outside, curve around, and then up in the middle, come down and back up underneath the hand. And we leave a gap just up above the hand, draw a curve, coming down, then up, and we'll draw the edge of the bone, drawing 2 lines coming in behind the fingers. Let's round up the side of the meat, going out and then back in. And we'll close off the top with a curve going up and then down. And then we'll draw the top edge of the bone, starting on the left, go around, down in the middle, go up and then back down. Let's go back and close off the bottom of the arm. We're going to start from the inside edge of the bone, curve the hand coming in and then up, step down, curve the arm coming in and up in behind the body. And then from the wrist, we're going to step in, draw a curve, coming in and out for the edge of the glove. Let's go to the inside of the arm, step up, curve the sleeve, going up and then out. Let's line up the inside of the arm over on the right side, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Then we'll draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's add in 3 fingers. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, curve the finger coming down and then up, step down, go across and then up, and then the 3rd finger will curve out and then bend the arm coming up and in underneath the head. Let's draw the edge of the glove. From the wrist, step up, curve up and then out, and then from the top of the arm, step up, curve the sleeve, going up and then out. Let's draw a simple heart tattoo on the side of the arm. Starting up here, curve up, and then back in, go back up to the top, draw the right side, down toward the bottom, and that's pretty much it. There's our drawing of Mr. Meat. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe, and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.